How is it? Ryland's first milkshake. What are you eating?
We're eating chocolate.
What is it?
Not ice cream.
It's not ice cream?
Not ice cream.
What's it called?
Milkshake.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you know where we got it from? In-N-Out.
In-N-Out. In-N-Out shake. Store.
Yeah, In-N-Out shake store. What did you have for dinner from In-N-Out?
Some burgers.
Some what? Oh, burgers?
Yeah.
What did Ryland eat?
No.
What did you eat from In-N-Out?
No. No.
You know.
We know. We know. We know.
What did you eat for dinner?
No. No.
Come on.
No.
Grilled cheese sandwich.
Because sandwich.
What kind of milkshake is this?
No. Chocolate.
Do you think Grandpa likes chocolate?
Yeah.
What about Poppy Boy? Does he like chocolate?
Yeah. Gigi likes chocolate too.
Gigi does? Does Dodo?
Yeah.
Does Aunt Nicole like chocolate?
Yeah. Does you like chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Sunday. Why?
You scared me.
Why?
Ryland, is it Christmas time? What are you gonna ask Santa for Christmas? Presents?
Yeah.
What kind of presents?
Trucks.
Oh, trucks?
Yeah.
We already have a lot of trucks at home. You're gonna get more trucks?
What else are you going to ask Santa Claus for?
Chocolate milk.
You gonna ask Santa for chocolate milk? I think usually we're supposed to give Santa chocolate milk. We leave out chocolate milk and cookies for Santa at the fireplace for when he comes down the chimney to deliver presents.
Go down chimney. Go down present door.
You said chimney better than me. And Santa flies on a sleigh with 8 reindeer.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a reindeer?
Yeah.
You have? What's it look like?
Trusting. Waiting on that reindeer.
Uh-huh, he's riding in the reindeer.
Santa waiting in the deers.
Santa rides in the deers with the reindeer? Yeah, in his sleigh. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas.
Mama.
Yeah?
Ho ho, Daddy. Ho ho, can you make us? Daddy milkshake. Cheese.
Roar.
Yeah.